Hello guys, today we'll be doing a Five Nights at Freddy's tier list. This will be my first time doing a tier list video, so if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And with all that out of the way, let's get started. And who better to start with than Freddy Fazbear himself. I'm torn between A and B tier for him. I'll just go with A tier. Bonnie's also an A tier. Chica's, well, you know what? Her and Freddy, B tier. Now, Foxy, on the other hand, Now, Foxy's an S tier. We can all agree on that. Goldie, B tier. Phone Guy, I'd say C tier. Toy Freddy, C tier. C tier. Oh, excuse me. A lot of people are going to give me hate for this, but I'm again going to say C tier. Mangle, we all know where Mangle's going to go. Sorry, I'm not putting her in B tier, just there. Now, Balloon Boy, this is going to be controversial, but I'm putting him in B tier. This one, same thing. Marionette is a solid A tier. It's one of my favorite FNAF 2 characters alongside Mangle. Withered Freddy, A tier. Oh, wait, why is it? Withered Bonnie is definitely an S tier because it's Withered Bonnie. Withered Chica, I'd have to say B tier. Withered Foxy is S tier. If you guys can't tell by now, I really enjoy Foxy's. Withered Golden Freddy is A tier. Shadow Freddy, A tier. B tier. Springtrap, I'm torn between S and A tier. I'll just go with A tier. Phantom Freddy, A tier. A tier. S tier. Phantom Mangle, S tier. A tier. Phantom Puppet. Phantom Puppet would have to be in... I'd have to say that Phantom Puppet's B tier for me. Nightmare Freddy, C tier. Nightmare Bonnie would have to be A tier. Get the pun. C tier. S tier. Now, Nightmare Fredbear and Nightmare will have different rankings because I like them in a different way. This one I'd have to say is a C tier plush trap. The Jackos will both be in C tier. Nightmare Mangle, I'd have to say solid B tier. Wait, why is it down in E tier? Nightmarionette, on the other hand, is a definite A tier. Nightmare Balloon Boy, C tier. Now, Low Bit is definitely going to be an S tier. We can all agree on that. Yendo, I don't know much about him. That's why I'm going to put him in E tier. Same with Hand Unit. Circus Baby, C tier. Ballora, I like the character of her, so that's why I'm going to put her in S tier. Funtime Freddy, also S tier. Funtime Foxy is going in S tier because I like the actor thing he does. I myself am a big fan of theater, so yeah. And art is definitely S tier. We can all agree on that. These two, on the other hand, E tier. C tier. Guess the mini arenas will go in B tier. Scrap Baby will go in A tier. Molten Freddy, Scrap Trap, I'm pretty sure we can all agree where he's going. Nightmare Chica. I thought I would have gotten to the nightmares already. I guess maybe it might have been just put down the list for some reason. I'll just put it here and... No, not here. It's a solid B tier. Lefty... This might be just a tad controversial, but I'm putting it in A tier. VHS, I don't know what this is, so I'm just going to put it in E tier. Helpy, we all know where Helpy's going. He's a helpful guy. Trash in the Gang, solid B tier. Happy Frog, B tier. Mr. Hippo and Pig Patch are both going to S tier because we can all agree they're both very good characters. You know what? No, Mr. Hippo's going to A tier instead. Ned Bear, E tier. Well, D tier. Orville, going straight to S tier. Candy Cadet, solid A tier, I'd have to say. Rockstar Freddy would have to be in B tier, in my opinion anyway. Rockstar Bonnie, A tier. Chica, B tier. We all know where this guy's going. Again, who could possibly hate this man? A tier for Music Man as well. El Chip, B tier. Now, Funtime Chica, I don't know much about. That's why I'm going to put her in E tier. Basically, E tier is going to be all the characters I don't know much about. We all know where this Satan spawn is going. A tier. Fredbear, solid A tier, I think. B tier for the Spring Bonnie suit. Glitch Trap, B tier. These I'd have to say, all the Circus Baby plushies would have to be in C tier. Again, a character I don't know much about, so E tier. Dreadbear is a solid A tier in my opinion. Grim Foxy, A tier. This is just a mask, so E tier, I guess. Michael Afton. This one's a tricky one, since I know how he ends up. But still, I guess I'll just put him in B tier. And Scott Coffin himself. I'd have to put him in S tier. Because without him, there'd be no Five Nights at Freddy's. Well, it seems like that's all the characters. Here's my final list. Anyway, if you like what I did today, please consider liking and subscribing because it costs you nothing. And until next time, peace out.